Okay, now we have got a question. We have to factorize this. 2x square minus half. Now can you see here? We neither have this as a square, neither this has a square. We don't have any square number except x in the form of a square. The formula which we have to use or which we can use is a square minus b square, but we cannot use any of the formulas we have studied because it is not in that form. But we can bring it into the square form. Simple trick will be, take out 2 outside. Now once you take out 2, you will divide this by 2 and this also by 2. You will divide this by 2, you will get x square will be square and this will become 1 by 4. Now once you have taken out the 2, you have got inside the squares. Now what you will do, convert them into squares, find out what is a and b. So here we have x square minus 1 by 2 square. Formula is expansion is a plus b and a minus b. So we got the answer. Now if you see this question, 18ax square minus 98ay square, we cannot factorize it because we are not seeing any square number here except x square y square. But we can see one thing, we have got a common a, and also 18 and 98 have some factors common. Take the factors out. What is the biggest factor, that is SCF, common here? It will be divided by 2. 2 9s are 18 and 2 49s are. Take out 2. A is also common, take out 2a. So now 9x square minus 49y square. Now we have got the square numbers. It's square of 3, it's square of 7. Once we get the square numbers, we can easily factorize how. This is a, so it will be a plus b, a minus b. The question is done. We will see more questions just now only. See next question. Here this is a, this is b, this is a square, this is b square. Formula expansion a plus b. So a is this and plus b is this. We got this. Okay. Now a minus b. A, we place a in front of a, in place of a, and minus this b. Put it in bracket because we are placing minus here, so signs will change. Now we will solve this. A and a will be cancelled, b and b will be 2b. Here, open the bracket, minus becomes plus, it will be minus b plus a. This plus will become minus, multiplied by minus, and this will become plus. Now, once again we got this cancellation, so left is, what are we left with? 2a. So we have got 2b and 2a. This question will be solved like this. This question we don't have square numbers. This is not a square, this is not a square, only this is a square. Take out common. Common, once you will take out, you will get here 1 and here 4. Common means you are dividing the number with this, 3 and 3. Now you got the square numbers. Convert them into squares so that you can get a and b. These are squares. This is square of 1 and this is square of 2b. Now we have got our a. So answer will be 1 plus 2b. A and b is 1 and 2b. 1 minus 2b. This is our answer. This is done.